What's going on YouTube? It's Jay back with another video. This is day 3 of our Disney Florida trip. So today we're gonna check out of Grand Floridian Resort, and then we're gonna go to Saratoga Springs for the rest of the week, and then I think we're going to Blizzard Beach today. Alright y'all, we are now on the way to pick up our breakfast, and then we're gonna just bring it back to the room. So I'll show y'all the food when we get there. But if you're here, make sure y'all like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and make sure y'all check out the Why Though podcast because we upload videos every single Friday. See y'all when we get the food. We just came back to the room, got the breakfast. I'm about to show y'all right now what I got. So, it's got some Mickey waffles and bacon, and I do have grapes inside, so I'm gonna eat that after. And yeah, finna enjoy this. See that nice view. So now it's time for the overall food rating. So for the Mickey waffles, I would say a 10 out of 10. And for the bacon, it was pretty good. I would say calm 8 out of 10. I still gotta finish the grapes, but I'm sure they'll be 10 out of 10 also. Alright y'all, we are leaving Grand Floridian Resort, and before we go to Saratoga, we're actually gonna go to Polynesian Resort, just because we gotta check out their new Disney Vacation Club building, and I think we're gonna have lunch there, and then we're gonna make our way over to Saratoga Springs, and yeah. I would say this though, this lobby is very nice. One day I hope that we could stay in a room like this, and yeah. Alright y'all, we just left the DVC building, just visited just the downstairs portion, a little bit of the outside, and now we're going to the ceremonial house. So I think we possibly might eat here, maybe at Captain Hook's, which is a quick service restaurant. Alright y'all, so this was art piece that I got from my caricature. Shout out to Mr. Nick at Disney's Polynesian for cooking this up. So it's just me dunking the basketball, that's really it. Y'all can see that nice detail. But now we are sitting outside around Captain Cook's, and we're gonna have some lunch. Alright y'all, we are now leaving Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, and now we're gonna hit the road so we can go to Saratoga Springs, and then from there, we're gonna go to Blizzard Beach. Alright y'all, we just made it to Saratoga Springs. We just checked in, and now we got dressed for the water park because our room's not ready. So next time I see y'all, we'll be at Blizzard Beach, but I'm not gonna bring this camera in, so I'm gonna have to film off the iPhone. Alright y'all, we made it to Blizzard Beach. It's pretty hot. Y'all can see in the background. Probably gonna ride some rides, but we're gonna chill in the main wave pool area for now. Alright, y'all, we just got back to Saratoga Springs. Finna check out our new room. So, here it is, 1435. Alright, as y'all can see, we are in a 2-bedroom villa. It's a very nice room. I think we're here till Friday. So at the time of this recording, it's August 3rd. And I believe we're checking out of here Friday morning on August 8th. So pretty nice, pretty cool room. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so we're just settling into our new room. And I think I might just end the video here, because the rest of the night, I'm just going to be watching the second night of WWE SummerSlam. So hopefully, whenever I edit this video, I hope John Cena retains, but we'll see. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Also, check out the Why Though podcast, because we post videos on that channel every single Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Day 4 will be dropping soon. See you guys later.